Someone called me the other day and asked what the holes on the string cells outer shells are for. So he thought he had figured out how our system works, but he couldn't come up with a logical explanation for these holes. So he reached out because he had to know. Well, the actual reason is much simpler than you might expect. So these 4 holes in the shell's contact area provide an electrical pathway to connect the shell contact's outer surface area to the inner surface, which is where they hook up to the electronics. And we have different models of shells available, but this one shows it most clearly, just like so. But what about the 6 holes in the center? And that is a slightly different story, and that is where the software and the hardware meet to make our technology truly groundbreaking. So when the cells roll off the manufacturing line, we have to install a piece of software to make them come alive. In addition to the software, which we call bootloader software, they are given unique serial numbers and encryption keys. At that point in production, an assembly line worker or a robot can push blank cells into this bootloader flashing jig to receive the keys and the bootloader firmware. What you see here is the lab version of the jig. This connector is used only once, and all telemetry data flows through other channels later. It's the software that makes the system come alive, but later, when in operation, the software also allows us to collect data securely, monitor each cell's state of health, leverage analytics to maximize performance, and enable operators to control various parameters on the fly via a simple user interface on a computer nearby or far away. So, that's the mystery of the little holes in the Tanktwo string cells. If you want to learn more about Tanktwo and our technology, please reach out through our contact page.